how to take the grass catcher off a Ryobi 40 volt mower and how to replace it. So first things first, what you want to do is flip this flap up at the back here of the lawnmower, grab this metal bar at the back and lift the grass catcher up, and it will simply pull away from your lawnmower. You can release the flap. Now you want to clean the grass catcher if you're storing it at this point, but to put it back on, you see these two lugs here either side of the grass catcher. These need to attach on the back of the mower, and there's two little lugs what these go into. So lift the flap, catch them two metal bars over the lugs at the back of the mower, and you've reattached it. So hopefully that helps you take the grass catcher off a Ryobi 40 volt lawnmower and how to replace it. If it does, help me out by hitting the like, hitting the subscribe, and thank you for watching.